My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Pere don do a get together for a movie premiere where we say they come up soon, The Silent Intruder. And also Tasha, the kokoshi where we say she wear go church this Sunday, don't cause drags for her. Abeg make una try watch till the end of this video to get the full gist, and also to see say Nengi don slash millions to acquire a new diamond. So as we all know, Tasha na reality TV star, and she na podcast host, have been a presenter. So she don't get on a lot of people bad side with her recent attitude where we say she dey portray for internet. And the thing don't make people dey always drag her, because anytime wey be say she post a video or picture of herself, people go dey body shame the girl, they go dey call her names, they go dey drag her, they go dey zoom am, they find a fault for everything wey be say she do. So today the girl come say make she go serve her God, she come snap picture with the koko shoe wey be say she wear. Na so netizens come go find the shoe as she snap the picture, come zoom am, come use am dey laugh her. This na the picture of the shoe with the way they take zoom am for there to take make mockery of the girl. Make we just see some comments under this her post wey be say she drop. So the first person come say, I'm surprised on the way Nigerians started hating her. For me, I no dey surprised on the sudden hate rates wey be say Tasha get from Nigerians. Ever since start to dey talk rubbish, they always shook herself for inside people business wey be say they no call her. Things don take a drastic turn for her. Wey she dey sharp her mouth, for her mind she dey feel say she dey win against the people wey be say dey drag her. She not send anybody, not knowing to say she dey always put up herself for necessary drags. Majority go always win the vote. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, abeg try make you subscribe, like this video, help me share am, and please drop your comment for the comment section below. Una thank you. Make we continue for the comments. So the next person go say, when I saw this post on her page, I just knew they will drag her regarding it. When I even see the video or the picture, I not see anything. Wetin I even just dey admire na the hair wey be say she do. This hair is like na in the trend now. Person come say make una leave tea alone. No, how about it's a normal thing. The next one say, this isn't nice, you all should leave this girl. The next one say, Jesus, this is unbelievable. Shout out to the king of boys, Lambo, Fresh Queen. The last person say, una like to the boy shame person, but Tasha, why your leg come dey rugged like this? This one you dey try to hype the girl, you dey try to drag her. I don't understand you. I'm not surprised for the type of hate comment wey be say Tasha dey get, because same Tasha na is Zlatan sing for na. So I know dey surprised. I feel people just adjusted a bit when she started showing there's a good side to her. But you know Nigerians now, once you don't bring back your bad character, they go let you see wetin be the meaning of hatred. I hope she go learn to calm down and have a rethink of her actions so far. So onto Pere matter. Pere do a getaway yesterday, a few hours ago, for a movie where they call The Silent Intruder. So you all know the movie they premiere on the 9th of this month, February, and in just call a get together just to promote and to get to meet the people where we say in the invite so far, some of his few friends. So for the get together, in just drop a few speech where I go drop for una make una listen. So make una listen to wetin talk for una self.
My people, but I see some very, very beautiful people in here tonight, and I'm so appreciative being here with you guys. It's been a while. How I did? I'm not here now. How I did? How I did? Okay, real quick. We have some beautiful gifts to give out to people here tonight. But first of all, something very important. I wish I could walk on water right now to where you are. But I'm so excited actually. So on the 9th of February 2024, all right, next Friday, a very spectacular film will be released in cinemas nationwide. It's called The Silent Intruder. Trust me, this film was 6 years in the making. I took a lot of time to get the story together, crafted it, got the actors together. A lot of your faves are on there, from Uche Montana to Kachi to Benita to Lucy and myself. Look, we made a fucking movie. Trust me, we did. And we have gifts to give. Every single one. Well, not every single one alive. Actually, we have gifts to give to some very, very brave people. If you're brave enough to, do a little something for us, we'll give you a real nice gift. The gifts are so nice. We came with a lot of stuff to give to you guys. Alright? So please, please, please participate. Okay? I love you guys so much. And thank you for the support over the years. Voila. Let the party begin.
Make some noise for Pere real quick. Hey, yo, DJ, take me to the party, take me to the party. Hey! What do you? What do you? What do you? What do you? Say!
Oh yeah, they so happy for Pere for this movie. From the explanations, you go hear when they talk say ain't done they work on this project for the past 6 years. Just imagine a project where we say you know they work for years. So I believe to say the thing will come out well because as we all know, Pere na good actor and hopefully he will be good producer too. So the few people Nigerian housemates when he don't invite, so he give invite to the likes of Tricky T, Alison, Modella, Rachel, Fina, Ike, White Money. Those na the ones wey be say I remember for now, but I dey sure say im go still give invite to a lot of them. But for every other Nigeria All Stars fellow housemates, na just for Ike and wetin be name White Money now I don see am give so far. So Petrite una ready una money to go see a movie for cinema because from the look of things that movie go jig. So good luck to him anyways. So onto Nengi matters. You all know Nengi, she don't go back to school and she don't dey mind her business. The girl, anything controversial, you know go see Nengi for there. When she came out of the house, the only controversial news where we say they don't ever call Nengi for another time about that her Range Rover where they say na one married man buy am from for her. And during that time, all those gbas they go on, the girl she not talk anything. She just they mind her business, keep quiet, and they earn more money. So she can't come out, come drop this video of her where she dey flaunt her new diamond wristwatch. See as person picking just clean in here. Now wow, so unproblematic and she's winning. She's cashing the bag without controversy, without chasing clout. I hope most of all these Big Brother Naija girls they go learn from Nengi and Likoros because those two people now the role model where we say all of them deserve to look up to. Una take care, una bye.